Hi, thank you for installing Stackend. This is a short introduction video on how to activate Stackend. So it's 2 steps. Click on Get Started. That will take you to your theme editor and to the section where you have app embeds. Simply switch on the launch script from Stackend and then click Save. And that's it. In order to add modules, so for example, if I want to add a review module, I can select the page or the section where I want it. I want to have it under the default product page, which makes sense. So now I have the default product, and then I go to section, and here you have add section. So just click add section, and then you can scroll down and you will see all the apps from Stackend. So I want to select the review, and I add that, and then I just drag it to where I want to have it. I click save, and that's it. And most Stackend modules works the same. Some will require you to add a specific ID if you have something more advanced like a code build, but there's videos for that as well under advanced. So let's have a look how this looks. Click on view, and then just click on any product in your store, and you will have the review module here.